Welcome to The Way to Build Wealth. I'm Ethan Bloch, and I'm helping you build wealth. Welcome to the show. So you've heard me talk about index funds and why you should own them. Now I think it's right I share with you the best way to own them, or more specifically, what brokerages to use to own index funds. Through the whole world of brokerages out there, I've scoured everything, not everything, but a lot, and have narrowed your world of brokerages down to just 3. So if you want to buy index funds, use one of these 3 brokerages preferably. Charles Schwab, Vanguard, and Fidelity. Now, depending how much money you have today to start investing will determine kind of which brokerage you use. So if you have less than $3,000 to begin investing today, you're going to be limited to Charles Schwab, which in my opinion is the weakest of the 3 because they charge the highest fees of the 3. But it is what it is. It's better to get started today and start building wealth than to wait until you have that mark. Unless you think you'll have $3,000 to invest within the next 6 months, I would say start today with Charles Schwab. Vanguard is my ultimate favorite. They are the world's creator of the index fund. They've been around for a long time. Their funds have the lowest fees and they have a great selection. It's just all around a quality company that offers quality funds. So I would say the minimum initial investment for most of their funds is $3,000. So if you have that, go with Vanguard. Finally, Fidelity is a great financial institution. I manage some of my family's money in Fidelity account. I own some of their index funds, specifically their S&P 500 index fund. And the only limit is a lot of their index funds have a minimum initial investment of 10 grand. They do have low fees on par with Vanguard. I even believe maybe some of their funds are a couple basis points under Vanguard's. But nonetheless, a lot of people already have Fidelity accounts set up due to maybe an employer, maybe a rollover from their 401k to like an IRA or something. So if you have Fidelity, you can stick with them and use their index funds. They have a great offering of them. Now, in combination with this episode, I've linked up some sheets below which kind of help you determine which index funds from these 3 brokerages you want to start accumulating or start buying stakes of. That's great information, so I would use that stuff to your advantage. And all the sheets I put together are linked up below me. And this goes in the world of like total stock market index funds, S&P 500 index funds, international index funds, even like bond index funds, because I've talked about bonds briefly on the show as well. That's all I got for now. Get started today. Sign up with one of these brokerages if you don't already have an account and start building wealth. I'm Ethan Bloch, and I'm helping you build wealth.